Does KDP or audio publishing pays even in 2023? We're gonna look at it on my KDP reports and also my ACX reports from November 2022, not 2022. The reason being why is in November, because I still haven't received earning income report from ACX for December 2022. So I can only do always 2 months behind. My name is V, for those who don't know me. For those who know me, welcome back to my channel where you can see what I'm doing with my money and where I'm earning money and how I'm traveling, all of the above. So without further ado, well, let's have on my screen on my KDP royalties estimator. So you can see this one. This is my royalties estimator for it says this month, but I just wanted to show you this. I'm gonna refresh that I'm actually not lying and everything is transparent and I'm not trying to just cheat it, edit it, Photoshop it, anything like this. So this is this month, only $200, but I'm gonna select custom and I'm gonna select November 1st till the November 30th. Yes. Is it 30th? Yes. Is it 30th? Yeah. There we go. Apply. We're gonna wait. I'm gonna put some bars so you can see. $934 for the month of November. The amount of ads I spent on this was probably like $100. Not very much. I don't really run many ads for KDP. The reason being because my main focus is on audiobooks. With that, I'm not saying that KDP publishing is anything worse or less. You can make lots of money with KDP publishing, and you can also make lots of money with audiobooks. For me, always works better audiobooks. And the main reason is because I don't have to worry about setting up ads. I don't have to worry about running the promotions, anything like that. Once you record the audio, you publish it on ACX, that will appear on Audible. It's very, very passive. It's probably the most passive income you can create for yourself. Remind you, my last account, this is my second account, my last account, which I had for about 3 years, almost 4 years. I started with $1,000, created up to $12,000 or $13,000 a month. Then it was suspended. Don't ask why, because that's a long reason why. I don't want to get back to it because I don't like it. Anyway, I sold it last year for $72,000, and considering that I haven't done anything on that old account for over 2 years, I haven't touched it for 2 years, and I was still getting paid about $2,500 every month. That's pretty good. Anyway, so this is KDP. Now let's have a look on ACX. You can see that November 2022, the summary report was already generated. I already prepared it here. So this is my name. As you can see, I covered this number because I like to keep it as my privacy. You can see the amount of bounty I had is $450. So that was, I believe, 6 bounties. And then $3,168 was from the royalties. So the total is $3,618. Now in the month of November, I actually didn't publish any new books. So this is basically my pure profit, which is amazing. Okay, again, I haven't done anything in that month, and then this was the profit. How it's gonna look for the month of January. By the way, December probably is gonna be around the same from my calculations. I had about the same amount of units sold, and I had I believe 1 or 2 bounties more than in November. So maybe a little bit less, a little bit more, depends. And for the month of January, by the way it looks, probably like half of my royalties more than for the month of December. So my expectation for the month of December, for the month of January, I should probably generate around $4,000 to $5,000, which will be pretty amazing. And we will finally break in the barrier of the 5K. Also, I'll publish some of my books to Findaway Voices. If you do not know what is Findaway Voices, Findaway Voices is basically like a secondary platform from ACX. They publish wide instead of deep, I would say, because through Findaway Voices you can publish also to ACX, but they take much more bigger cut. And also you publish to other places such as Google Play and other places, Apple, I believe, and stuff like that. Of course, ACX always makes the most money, but Findaway Voices is something where if your book doesn't really sell well on ACX, let's say it makes only a couple of sales a month or not sales at all, and you have the publishing rights, then you can take that, you can email ACX and tell them basically that you want to make this book non-exclusive anymore. You can do that, and they will most likely, every time that happened, they always did that, and you can take the book after that, you can basically publish it anywhere you want all over the internet, as long as not violate any ACX rules. Then I publish it on Finding My Voices, and this is really just the extra income, so I don't really rely on this, but it's such a very, like, you know, it's just something on the side. And then it was for the month of November was $122. These audiobooks really didn't sell as much as I would like to on ACX, so after a couple of months, some of them been there for like 1 year, I just took them off and I just published on Finding My Voices, and they make a couple of bucks every month. Is nothing really big, but you know, as I said, it's always great extra money. Anyway, with that, if you'd like to learn more on how to make you publish your first book on audiobook and Kindle publishing, I suggest you to click on the link which is down below. It will take you to the website. You can buy my course, or if you don't like my course, if you don't like me, you can always find other gurus on internet and you can purchase the course from them. There is many great gurus all over the internet which can help you, but there's also really bad ones which I would not really suggest. I'm not gonna mention anyone, but I'm sure that if you're watching my channel that you'll find other ones. But with that, if you'd like to learn from me, click the link below and they will take you to the website. You can purchase or not purchase, really up to you. And until next time, guys, see ya.